In this tutorial, we're going to look at the transactions. I will give you one example. When you withdraw money from your bank account to transfer to someone else, you should have a sufficient amount of money in your account. If it's not, your transaction should be cancelled. So that's the kind of idea of a transaction. So let me give you an idea here. AutoCommit, which is already on. So whenever you insert the data, it will be effective right away. So we're going to look at how that actually works. Please read the description carefully. So AutoCommit mode is on, means it's true because it has a boolean value. And then we can work with commit or rollback methods. That's the idea of transactions. Okay. You can use with insert, update, delete, and then DDL statement, data definition language, like a create, alter tables. So by default, set AutoCommit is true. So I'll keep it as it is for now. Then I will change back to false so that I can demonstrate transactions. So line up 48, that's the first one you need to set it. If you don't do anything, it's already there with the truth value. So let's look at create employee table. I'm going to add one more column called salary. I'm going to use a numeric 7,2. In MySQL specific, you can use a decimal, but I like to use ANSI SQL numeric. Here we say salary for the last column. I will say monthly salary 4,000. Again 2,000, and let's change to 4,000. $4,500. Here we need one more parameter. So let me copy, paste it. So last one remain as a salary. So we change to let's say 3,000. This time we have to use a set double. Let me add here double salary equal to 3,000. And then here scanner input. A scanner class. So let's say enter salary. So it's going to wait for the input for, let's say, 2,000, 3,000, for example. Salary equal to, again, parameter. Here, let me copy, paste it. Prepare statement here, there will be, that should be salary. Then again, should be set double. Here, let's add one more. Copy, paste it. That should be salary. Again, there should be a double. So I'm going to type manually yes or no. So let's say string answer equal to input. Next. So depends on my answer, yes or no. Let's say equals ignore case, because I may type capital Y or lowercase y. If its answer is yes, commit, then I will say commit. Just read the description carefully, say make all changes made since the previous commit rollback. So copy paste it. If answer is no, I need to do a rollback. Say undoes all changes made in the current transactions. So if I say no, I should not pay salaries or anything to do with transaction should be cancelled. The last one I will say incorrect input. Let me make some comments so I can see what's going on. Committed successfully and then rollback successfully. So I may need to add a rollback, because if it's incorrect input, we should not continue. So let me just roll back our current transactions. Normally everything is done, then whether it's commit or rollback, we like to set it back as normal. So we say set auto commit is true. So let's have a look. By default it's already true. So if I type 2000, okay, there is a syntax error. Something to do with the salary. Okay. Yeah, there is a missing comma after address before salary. So just add the missing comma. Let's say 2000. Okay, do I want to do this? Yes. Committed successfully. So let's look at database. Run it. We have a true record. Okay. So let's look at the transaction this time. If I say false here, default is true. So if I say no for transactions, everything will be rolled back. So for the demonstration, I said yes. So we get the same result. This time, I'm going to say no. I'm going to enter same data, 2000. No. Let's see what happens. So refresh. So all transaction has been cancelled. Okay. Just in case, refresh. Nothing in it. Okay. There's a no insert, no delete, no update. That's the idea of using transactions. So normally you have a chance to undo. So if I say A, incorrect input, again it won't do anything because I'm going to do call for rollback methods. So nothing will be done. Exactly same. So here, run it again. There's nothing there, okay? That's exactly what we want. Again, main idea of transaction is set auto-commit. By default is true. We need to change to false. So look at the description. Please read the description carefully. So by default, okay, this is true. You can use transaction for insert, update, delete, and then DDL. Let me go have a look here. Everything seems okay. So far seems okay. This update statement so according to previous statement, I may need to add the salary. Okay, I know I'm not using this, but just in case, let me update it. So let me put comma. I made the comments, then I will add salary. Again, I don't need a single quotation because it's a numeric value. Okay, that's good enough. Let me remove the comments. Let me continue have a look. Again, for result set, we have result set for the column name, also index. So let me just remove the comments so that I can add the salary. So we have 6 columns. So let me add one more column. The last column will represent salary of employee. So it should be double. Integer value 6. Or you can say index value 6. So let me just type it, load successfully. Let me add that additional sentence. Make it clear. Let me learn it. So 2000 again. Yes, commit successfully. So everything is working in order. Let's say 2000 again. This time I'm going to say no. Rollback successfully. So there shouldn't be anything, okay? Let me quickly have a look one more time. So it's a long coding for over a few days, so I may make a mistake somehow. Yeah, there is one mistake here. Statement exec update is missing. So let me just add it. So it's going to add the 4 records, okay? Again, a simple mistake, but it's nothing to do with the transaction example. It's okay. Next one seems okay. Seems okay. That's all for today. Thank you.